When was the last time you made money without lifting a finger? No emails, no calls, no hustle. Just waking up and your account balance grew overnight. In 2025, the rules have changed. AI isn't just a tool. It's the engine behind passive income systems that run while you live your life. Let's start with digital products, ebooks, planners, checklists, templates. You build them once and sell them forever. ChatGPT outlines your content, Canva designs it, and Gumroad delivers it. AI cuts the work down to hours, not weeks. Next, affiliate marketing. You create content once and your links keep earning, no pitching, just solving problems. Most people think affiliate marketing is just dumping Amazon links everywhere. But real affiliate marketers use AI to build trust at scale. You start by choosing a niche: productivity, finance, fitness, whatever you're passionate about. Then you use tools like Jasper or ChatGPT to create educational content. Blog posts, YouTube scripts, social captions, product reviews. Let's say you're into AI tools. You write a post comparing Notion AI to ChatGPT. Drop your affiliate links. That post, once written, can earn money every time someone clicks, forever. And here's where AI makes the magic happen. You can scale fast. Create a month's worth of content in hours, schedule it, promote it, walk away. One creator I coached went from $0 to $1,500 a month in under 60 days. No ads, no audience. Just smart AI written content and affiliate links on TikTok. YouTube automation is a game changer. You don't have to show your face. You don't even need to speak. Use ChatGPT for the script. Use 11 Labs for the voice. Use Pictory or Runway for editing. Create a workflow and rinse and repeat. YouTube pays creators through AdSense, but you also get to layer in affiliate links, lead magnets, brand deals, and sell from your own merch shelf. I know creators making $3,000 to $5,000 a month from faceless videos, in niches like AI reviews, business trends, and digital marketing. And remember, evergreen content pays the best. Print on demand is faster than ever. Midjourney or Leonardo AI generates your design. Etsy or Printify handles the rest. No inventory, no shipping, no stress, no strain, no pain on the brain. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm slogans. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create the art. Then test your designs using Etsy search trends or TikTok keywords. One seller I follow makes $6,000 a month from shirts that say nothing more than "Coffee Chaos Repeat." With retro 90s fonts, simple, viral, profitable. This is one of the most underused income streams in 2025, and one of the most scalable if you play it right. Platforms like Beehive and Substack make launching easy. No tech background needed, just a few clicks and you're live. If you've got insights, opinions, or just a knack for finding great content, a newsletter can become your quiet cash machine. And now with AI in the mix, writing becomes frictionless. You're not starting from scratch, you're building on rails. Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate curated insights, trending product roundups, or even original commentary based on your niche. Wrap that content into a clean weekly format. Post it on socials and start collecting emails like digital gold. Monetize your newsletter in layers, with affiliate links placed naturally inside the content, never forced. Add in sponsored placements for trusted tools or services, and suddenly your free newsletter starts printing real cash. Go even further with premium tiers. People will pay monthly for consistent value, especially if they trust your voice. The best part? Newsletters don't just earn, they compound. Every issue builds equity, reach, and trust. With just 500 engaged readers, you could bring in $500 or more each month, consistently and quietly. And if you grow to 5,000 loyal readers, that's not a side hustle anymore, that's a legit online business. None of these income streams are lottery tickets, they're not magic pills or overnight miracles. They're systems, and systems are what free people, not grind, not hype, but structure. For the first time ever, thanks to AI, the cost of building those systems is close to zero. You don't need a team, you don't need an office, and you definitely don't need to be a tech genius. What you do need is focus, consistency, and a willingness to learn the tools. Because if you start today, you'll be months ahead of everyone still stuck in analysis paralysis. If you want help setting up any of these, real guidance, not fluff, Drop a comment or DM me. I'll share my exact tools, prompts, systems, everything I use to keep this machine running. And if you're tired of trading time for money, hit that subscribe button right now. Because on Business Brain USA, we don't hustle for scraps. We build scalable income with brains, not burnout.